Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic. I've pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the kidney grille lit up, we've got the DRLs on, and I think they're like filling some balloons or something in the background, so excuse that noise. We're gonna do a lap all the way around. Car looks sweet. And once you've had a chance to do this full lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. So we got Black Sapphire Metallic. We've got the nice metallic flake in the paint, but really it's just reflecting the entire ceiling, all the lights. But this color looks amazing, and it really shows off these body lines coming down from the A-pillar down the hood. And then we've got two lines here that kind of accentuate where the rondelle is positioned. So that looks really good. And you can see that we've got the brushed aluminum two-piece kidney grille. And when I hit unlock, you'll see that it does illuminate, which looks really cool. And of course, we've also got the double stacked L-shaped headlights on there. And because this is the M50, of course, it's got the M Sport design. So you can see down here, we've got the M Sport bumper, functional air ducts, active grille shutters here, as well as the lower part of the kidney grille. We've got the little chin down here at the bottom as part of BMW's new design language. And we've got the M badge on the passenger side with these horizontal slats. There's also a front-facing camera here, and there's a little washer nozzle hidden behind here. But overall, front end looks really good. And if I go ahead and put the pathway lighting on, full low beam system looks pretty sweet. So now that we've had a chance to look at the front, if we come around here, you'll see that these are the BMW LED headlights. So it looks really good. I love all the little crisscross patterns on the side that you'll find throughout the vehicle, and all the little lines in here that the lights reflect off look really good too. So when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036M wheels in jet black burnished, and we've got the blue M Sport brake back there, so that looks really nice contrast. And regardless if you've got M Sport or non-M Sport, you'll have body colored over fender. And in the Canadian market, we've got the M badging on the fender here. We also have the black M wing mirrors here with the integrated turn signal and the side video camera here too. And down at the bottom, you'll see that we do have the M welcome light carpet. We've also got the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front. And we've got the black window surrounds, black roof rails, and this is the full glass roof up top. And if we look at the back one, this is the back 1036M wheel. Blue M Sport brake there, looks awesome. Here's your Hofmeister kink. New style antenna. Spoiler at the top. We've also got the rear wiper arm. And here we have the stacked upside down and right side up L-shaped tail light, which kind of also makes a little X design, similar to the X5, but a little bit different. And BMW lights up at the side, which looks really cool. And we've got the vertical reflectors on the widest parts of the rear, M50 badging over here. And we've got the rear diffuser in the center with the quad exhaust pipes. So that is looking sweet. And since we're back here, I've got the key with me. Just gonna go ahead and kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle. And once that opens up, you'll see here that we've got cargo cover. There's a button that can be pressed on either side to release it. And if it does come out, which can be done one-handed, there's a space underneath here which can be stored in. There's more space here. That's your tire inflator kit plus in that little round container. Wheel lock key tow hook over there. Little strap to close this. There's also a little thing here to prop that up, but it can also be used as a grocery bag hanger. Another grocery bag hanger here, and a 12-volt plug. And to put this back into place, you just push it towards the front of the car so you don't see orange. And we've got a little cutout area here, a little netted area over there. Up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick to have this close as well. Hands-free closing is sweet. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side, and we got a pretty good look at the M welcome light carpet down here. So this is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise one click, and you can shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open up the back door here, you'll see inside we've got the new 2026 door handle, Harman Kardon sound system, some ambient light here, and black gloss window controls. And here we have the black Sensitech interior, release levers on the shoulders to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have an armrest in the center with some cup holders, and up here is the button to release the center pass-through, just down like that. And up top we've got the glass roof. So that's how big it is. It's a massive opening. And over here we've got the accessory port in the back of the front seat. There's also some pockets down here, winter mats, more lighting, more vents. And on the back of the center console we've got some vents, storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And up top we have a handle, coat hanger, and some lights. So back here everything looks pretty sweet. So now that we've seen this, let's shut this door and we'll go to the front door next. So again, M welcome light carpet. Let's open up that front door. And we've got Harman Kardon. We've got some ambient light here. Vent controls for this vent. Directional controls are down here. And we've got unlock, lock, new door pull, gloss. And down here we've got a little bit of space to pull. Some pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, and we also have your under the thigh extension here, and headrest is also manually adjusted. And over here we've got a button down here you can press to open the glove box. There's also a key cylinder to lock your glove box, which illuminates. Soft touch materials on the dash, nice stitching going across. We have the curved display here with xDrive operating system 9, and down here we've got maximum front defrost, 4-way flashers, rear defrost, and some vent opening and closing. The left side here, we've got a wireless charger, and we've also got a little vent here that cools down your phone, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. This area is a storage space, and we call this entire thing the jewel box with the M jewel that is beside your cup holders. We have the glass push start button, glass xDrive controller, there's your gear selector and your volume wheel. And if I lift up the center console, there is a 12-volt plug in there. So let's shut this all up and we'll go to the other side next. All right, if I open up the driver door here, we've got Harman Kardon, we've got more ambient light in here. This is the new door handle, the high gloss black window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, and we've got more high gloss black here. Some pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. This is the new flat bottom M steering wheel. So we've got M down here at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock, M tricolor stitching going all the way around. And we've got the nice shift paddles with the red grips on the back. And of course, we have the head-up display here. And if I have a quick seat in here, you'll see that we've got, let's take a quick look. Parking wise, automatic back park, front park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. And in terms of driving, so this has the active cruise control with stop and go. We also have some buttons here to program some garage doors. There's also an interior camera here. We also have the sunshade button here, so it's just the sunshade closing and opening. The glass itself does not move. And if I pull this down, you've got a little mirror here with the light. Microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth, handles on each side as well. And with the My BMW app, you can connect Digital Key Plus, meaning that the key works, or your phone works just like the real key, so you can walk up, car unlock, sit down, start the car. And you've also got ability to use your digital key plus, and you can send it to other users, so up to 10 users, and you can send the digital key plus with restrictions such as speed restrictions or radio volume restrictions, which is pretty interesting. So now that we've had a chance to look at iDrive 9 in here, let's go down here. And here's the pedals. You can't really see, but there is a hood release right here. So it's 1, 2 pulls. So when we arrive to the front, you'll see that we have nothing to find here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. And this time around we have 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. We've got these nice strut bars on each side. Positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal there, washer fluid there. So we got B58 power, and of course BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway down, literally just under. Beauty. Alright, so before I conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around and get a chance to capture this video of this car. It is unfortunately sold for anyone who wanted it. Not unfortunate for the person who bought it, so it's no longer available, but that's usually what happens to everything that comes in the showroom. So how do you like this black on black X3 M50 G45 body style? Well, I wanted to do remote engine start, cold start, but there's not enough gas in the car, so that is one of the conditions where remote engine start won't work. It also won't work if you've done it twice in a row without driving the car in between. So just a good FYI. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. Car looks awesome. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.